Hi there! Another week with another collage for the Collaborative Collage Challenge. While working on this collage, I want to speak a bit about the project itself, how it feels working on such a project over several weeks. For me, it's a huge commitment to show up every week to create at least one collage per week. I received 66 envelopes with collage material from people around the world, and by doing one collage a week, it will take over a year to create all the collages and to finish this project. So the first challenge is to stay motivated over this long period of time. I try to not think about how long it will take to finish the project. I do one step after another, one collage per week, and instead of thinking about the end result, I think about the reason why I started this project. The idea was to challenge myself by working with collage material from other people, to find out if it's possible for me to create collages with randomly selected material. The challenge is to work with paper, colors and shapes that I don't normally use. Often the papers are decorated with paint or pattern, and I feel very connected to the one who has made these papers. It's a very different experience than working with my own papers, and often it's hard to find a good composition. But with every new collage, I learn something new about what I like and what I don't like. Sometimes I'm really surprised by the result, but that's the fun part of this project, right? You never know what you get with every new envelope and how the finished collage will look like. I try to stay open for new designs and compositions. It's easy to do the same thing over and over again, but I always try to find new ways. I try to respond to the material, the colors and shapes to find a composition that works for me. And I think this project is a good way to show the wide range of possibilities you have when working on collages. It's amazing how many different compositions you can create with only a few pieces of paper. I really like organic shapes, but for this collage here, I tried to use only stripes to create an interesting composition. It really sounds easier than it actually is to create a nice variety of stripes for an interesting composition. I tried to vary the size of the stripes as well as the colors and pattern. Have you ever worked with stripes only? Was it easy or challenging? Please tell me about your experience. I really love this orange-red piece with letters and all those different patterns beside the plain stripes. Really nice. Okay, mission completed. If you are looking for more collage ideas, please download my free ebook 10 Ultimate Collage Ideas. The link is here on the screen and in the description box below. Try out as much as you can and find things you love and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Happy creating! And don't forget to have fun. Bye bye!